Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the social feed in the Fomo app stock not refreshing or showing the traders you follow? Here's the fix. First, pull down on the feed screen to manually trigger a refresh since this alone resolves most feed loading hiccups. If that does not work, force close the Fomo app and completely from your recent apps and then reopen it fresh after a few hours, which resets the feed connection from your scratch. Go to the settings and then toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off to refresh your network connection. Since a stale connection can stop the social feed from pulling new posts even though the rest of the app works fine. Reopen FOMO afterward on a refresh or fresh connection. If the feeds won't load, go to the settings and then go to general, then scroll down and find FOMO to the list of apps. Tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store and reinsert it fresh to clear out a corrupted data feed cage. So all I've got to do is pull to refresh, then force close and reopen, reset your connection and offload and reinstall if needed. The social feed loads properly and that's it. Subscribe.